How to change language on REDnote. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video by AppHacks. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your REDnote app and also log in into your account. After you've done that, head over to the Me section that is on the bottom right corner. Tap on Me, and now after you're here, you should see an option like a gear icon. It's right beside Edit Profile. This is the gear icon. Simply tap on the gear icon, and after you tap on it, you will see your account's setting and your app's setting. What you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to the general setting. Head over to general settings, and right there under the display section, you will see languages, font size, and dark mode. Now all you need to do is head over to the languages section and select your language. Now, the most efficient and easy is your English, of course. So simply select the English language. And after you've done that, if it does not work, simply restart your app. And yeah, that is basically how you change language on REDnote. And that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.